In this video, we're going to be going over the Pythagorean triplets. Make sure that you are writing everything down, and if you need to stop the video to write something, please do so. A Pythagorean triplet is a set or a group of three positive integers or whole numbers a, b, c that satisfy the equation c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Now, these numbers need to be whole numbers. For example, we have been working for a couple days on this, so we have the number 3, 4, 5. If you plug that into the formula, you see that this is going to work out, and it gives you a solution. It gives you an integer. If you were to only plug this 2, then you will get 5 as your answer. The same would happen if you were to plug in 6, 8, and 10. You could also get that with 9, 12, and 15. Because when you have your base Pythagorean triplet and you multiply them, in this case we're multiplying by 2, gives you this one, and it also works for that one, and it also works for the next one, and that pattern can continue. So you can technically multiply this by 100, so you will get 300, 400, and 500, and it would always work for the formula. So your main one right here is 3, 4, 5, and any other multiple of it. Now, we also have other triplets, for example, 5, 12, and 13. We also have 8, 15, and 17. And then we also have 7, 24, and 25. The most common is this one, but any multiple of this one, or this one will always give you a triple. It's always going to be an integer when you put it into the formula, and that's what we're looking for. Even though we have some numbers, for example, 7, 8, and the square root of 113, this is not a triple. This is not a Pythagorean triple, because you have right here a number that is not a whole number. So even though that it works when you plug it into the formula, this is not going to be a triple because of this number right here. So these are the main numbers that you need to keep in mind, and this is a Pythagorean triple. So whenever you have three numbers and all of them are whole numbers.